So here's what I want you to do is to actually work on regulating your nervous system. So, so when you do meet up, that you actually do some form of somatic healing, whether it's taking a few breaths together, looking at each other in the eyes. Sometimes I really like people to lean their back against each other and take a breath so that you actually feel one person breathing in. And when you feel them exhaling, you hum. And that actually soothes the vagus nerve. And you take a turn to each do that. So basically, the way it goes is you're back to back. And if I'm the person that's breathing, I will make a real exaggerated inhale and a real exaggerated exhale. And on the exhale, my partner will hum. And it's a really good way to cue into the other person's breath and body sensation. And you can really feel like how deeply a person breathes into their abdomen, how full their chest is just by feeling the back of their rib cage when you're leaning against them. And the hum is an incredibly soothing vibrational feeling that you'll both feel in your body. And sometimes when people are fighting or in conflict, I actually have them do this exercise and ground themselves and center themselves. And then the conflict is over because they're more regulated and they can actually talk about what's going on, not just fight in that feedback loop.